a fat cat. Letters we know are A, B, K, D, F, E, M, N, O, R, S, T. And words we know are A, N, An, At, at, O, N, on, E, F, if, E, N, in, E, T, it. Let's start the story. A, K, A, T, cat, a cat. A, M, A, T, mat, a mat. A, F, A, T, fat, K, A, T, cat, on a, M, A, T, mat. A fat cat on a mat. A, F, A, T, fat, K, A, T, cat. A fat cat, S, A, T, sat on a, M, A, T, mat. A fat cat sat on a mat. A, F, at, fat, K, at, cat. A fat cat and a, R, at, rat. A fat cat and a rat. A, F, at, fat, K, at, cat and a, R, at, rat. S, at, sat. A fat cat and a rat sat on a, M, at, mat. A fat cat and a rat sat on a mat. A fat cat and a rat and a, B, at, bat. A fat cat and a rat and a bat sat on a mat. A rat on a bat, on a cat, in a hat, on a mat. In the end of the book, here are the words we have used and some new words. So, the way of teaching the reading method to the kids is to introduce them first with the words and the sight words which are going to be used in the reader. And then they can read. Start the reading with 2 words. Then add up 1 more. After that, a little big sentence with sight words. In this sentence, a and on are the sight words. And then you can increase the length of the sentences. When you are using the same words in the long sentence, kid can read it thoroughly. Then you can add a new word in a long sentence, like here the reader used the word bat. Here are all the previous words, no new word, and the kid can read the whole new big sentence. You can introduce these words which are going to use in the reader at the beginning. And to check the recognition of a kid, you can ask your kid these sentences or words at the end. By using little words, your kid can get more confidence on reading. Another tip for introducing reading is use the same family words in one sentence. Like here, the at family words are used: rat, bat, cat, hat, mat. These words are repeatedly used in this book, and after that they introduce more like hat, fat at the end.